Have a clear overview of what you owe for business purchases by adding your bills in Xero. It helps you keep track of your bills and pay them on time, and have a better understanding of your cash flow. It's easy to add a new bill. Here's how. From the Business menu, select Bills to Pay. Click New Bill, or click the plus icon from anywhere in Xero and select Bill. Enter who the bill is from. Either create a new contact or select them from the list if you've already added them to Xero. Select the date the bill was issued to you and when it's due. Enter the invoice or receipt number. This helps make sure you don't enter the same purchase twice. Click the document icon, then Upload Files to attach related documents, like a copy of the original bill if you like. Then, enter the bill's details into the description, quantity, and unit price fields, and set the account and tax rate so Xero records the transaction accurately. Or, if you've already added the product or service in Xero, select it from the Item menu and Xero will fill in the details for you. When you're done, click Approve. And that's it. You've added a bill. Once you've paid the bill, you can record payment against it when you reconcile your bank account. Search Bank Reconciliation in the Xero Help menu to find out how.